Good morning, class 8. As we discuss the women's caste and social reformers, today, in continuation of this chapter, as we studied about Raja Ram Mohan Roy, the father of modern India, and Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, the moderate philosopher. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he worked for female, especially ban on sati practice. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, he also worked for female, but he was known for widows remarriage and schools for females. So, in continuation of these philosophers, now this is third one, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, again, his original name was Mula Shankar. He belongs from Gujarat. Remember this thing? His original name was Mula Shankar. Mool Shankar, Mula Shankar. He born in 1824 in Gujarat. He was well-known Sanskrit scholar, and this was the title after he became monk or sannyasi. He provoked each and everyone that go back to Vedas. That was the slogan. Vedo ki or loto. That was the slogan. At that time, Christian missionaries want to promote the Christianity in the different part of the country. He opposed this one with that our Vedas are more powerful in comparison of any other religion. So, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, he worked for females, especially widows remarriage. He established Arya Samaj in 1875 beyond any caste or any class. You can be the part of Arya Samaj. At the same time, he believed that the Sanskrit is a typical language and the rituals which is performed in Sanskrit, it is far difficult for common people. So he drafted his books and the rituals in a simple way that anyone can perform these rituals in a form of Arya Samaj. Arya Samaj work for public welfare. They work for women's, children's, old age peoples. So their main motive was to give relaxation to depressed class, females, girls, old age people. Then he write down his book Satyat Prakash. Satyat Prakash, in search of truth. You can say that these are the literary work. That is his literary work. He give two slogans: go back to Vedas and Indian for India. Everyone have to work for our motherland. Main motive was that if we support each other, we can create a good and healthy environment among ourselves. So, in 1883, he was died. After his death, Arya Samaj is still continued. It is working in different parts of the country. In 1886, the concept of DAV schools introduced and thousands schools established in the different part of the country. In 1902, they established their college and ritual center in Haridwar. So this is all about Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Our next topic is women's work for women. In this one, I am writing only few names or 4 names. Begum of Bhopal, Aligarh, she start primary school for girls. First, she start primary school for girls. The second was Rokeya Shekhawat Hussain Begum, Rokeya Shekhawat Hussain. She starts school and college. Modern education, stress on English, that the females can learn the things and compete the men also. Tarabai Shinde, she write down a novel, Stree Purush Tulna, that orthodoxy was that only men have the power. In her strange dream, she gave all the powers to females. So although that was a fantasy novel, although this was only a novel which gives the internal happiness to females and the change, only the sex change, the domination change, male to female and female to male. Then Pandita Ramabai, she was first class Sanskrit scholar. She provoked females also to uplift ourselves. So the role of male philosophers, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, Dayanand Saraswati, then several other, Ramakrishna Paramahans, Vivekanand, several other people, they also provoke the others. In females, Begum of Bhopal, Begum Rokeya Hussain Shekhawat, Tarabai Shinde, Pandita Ramabai, they also provoke the people for the betterment of society and change in society. Females and women recognized as the less important, and they declared that we are equal importance. Both, as male are important, as the females are also important. Both are equally important for every part in the society, everywhere in the society. So the education is the key. Education is the key to change the monotonous way and stereotype feeling that male is more powerful. Instead, if we educated the females, they start knowing about their rights and they demand their rights. So this was the role of these all females, especially the group work for the education of